What's going on, everyone? I hope you're all having a fantastic day. My name is Odie Matthews. Welcome back to my channel on this website we like to call www.messengerbag.com/youtube.edu, and today we are going to take a look at Nick, the messenger bag from Millican. Let's get into it. So this will be the third product I have done from Millican, and I am a massive fan of their products, and the main reason is because I love the way that their materials are blended. It's like this canvas polyester cotton type blend with like a DWR coating on this, but like the way they feel and the aesthetic of their look, the aesthetic of their bags, just really just kind of speak to me, you know? I like this. The Smith, the roll top, is one of my favorite like everyday carry bags, and it just has this like, could be in World War II, but could be like postmodern, you know? It just has that special look to it. I don't know, I really like the way that all their products look, and the materials they use are always fantastic. Okay, so this is a messenger bag. Now, messenger bags aren't really something that I do a lot of, that I use a lot of, but this one, I do have to admit, I am quite a fan. I do enjoy a good messenger bag if it's designed right, and this one is so simple, it works so well. So what you're getting with this is a very simple bag. Like I said, this is a cotton like polyester blend with a DWR coating on the material. You got a little spot here to attach a bike light, and then you also have a spot for the reflective strip that comes out and can be used so at night, or if it's low light, you can be seen if you're a bike person or bike messenger. Okay, so let's talk about the strap for a second. Really simple design on this strap, just a basic webbing material with 2 points of to hook onto, and just a very simple adjuster here. As far as comfort goes, because of the size of this bag, because you're limited on what you can put in this bag, you don't really have to worry about this strap becoming too terribly uncomfortable, because even when you wear it for long amounts of time, it doesn't super dig in or get uncomfortable, even though it is just that basic webbing material with no like extra padding or anything. But because of the limitations on how much you can actually put in this thing, like I said, it doesn't tend to hurt or really feel uncomfortable after long periods of time. That being said though, I do wish there was a little bit of padding on this. I wish Millican had kind of added maybe like an adjustable little foam piece or something that you can kind of swirl around, because I do think that makes messenger bags all the more comfortable. Even when they're not, just having that on your shoulder can add to the use of this bag, can add to making the bag more enjoyable. Then you also have just like a very basic strap up here with the Millican design logo on there. Just a good solid bag handle, nothing else on there, just really nice. You also have on the few zippers on this bag, you have nice YKKs with these awesome little cool zipper pulls. I guess that basically will cover the gist of this bag. There's not a lot to it, which makes it really fun and easy to kind of talk about, because overall what you're getting is a very simple design here, and I really like the aesthetic of this messenger bag compared to some of the techie, you know, sleek, you know, like smooth designed tech slings that you get and stuff. I think Millican and Peak Design, when it comes to their bigger slings, because this is a little bit of a bigger one. What's the liters on this? Let me check. Okay, so this is the 13 liter. So like a little bit of a, you know, this kind of size, like this 13 liter Nick, or even like the 10 liter Peak Design sling, which I have, like those I like, because they're not really like too streamlined, and they are kind of still pretty simple. But then you get some like from like Nomadic that like just are so like their messenger bag is just, there's so much to it. You know, there's so many pockets, there's so many ways you can do it. It's got like interchangeable back panels and stuff, and it's a great messenger bag. Don't get me wrong, I'm not knocking the quality and stuff, but for me personally, that streamlined techie look, I don't know, when it comes to a messenger bag, I'm not a big fan of that look. I do like the streamlined techie look in like bags and stuff, but then again, I just love bags. But when it comes to the messenger side or the sling side of things, like for this size at least, I'm weird, and I kind of prefer this more of an aesthetic, because I'm weird. But you already know that if you've been watching this channel, or even probably from this video alone, you can probably guess that. Real quick, I want to talk about this strap here. So basically what you have back here is you can strap this here, and what this is for is you can strap this, so if you have it, if you're standing up, right, and as you can see you're standing up, you can attach this to the strap and keep it more tight and secure to your body. That's basically all it's meant for, and it's good. It works really well. You saw it's kind of like on the arc light sling from Boundary Supply when I did that video. It's a very simple but nice way to keep the bag a little bit more sturdy and secure when carrying it, whether you're riding a bike or walking or running from gorillas, because it's 2020 and it's only a matter of time before Planet of the Apes comes true, because the world's on fire and it is crazy. So be prepared for gorillas on horseback with shotguns. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so let's go through all the nooks and crannies and bags and pockets on this. On the back here, you have a spot for an 11-inch tablet or a very small laptop. I think this is a great tablet sleeve. I've put my old school iPad here. This is, I haven't even like designed or customized it or anything. This is just literally what I use for like movies and stuff on the plane. It's a little bit bigger than my iPad mini, which I cracked, so that's cool, thank you. But this is a perfect, this is like a 9.5-inch tablet, but this back compartment here will fit up to an 11-inch tablet or laptop. But like I said, I'd be very cautious on the laptop part. If you only have an 11-inch laptop, I would just use the internal one, because this doesn't seem like it would be deep enough for some of the laptops out there that are 11 inches, but I could be wrong. I think this is a great tablet sleeve, because no matter the size of your tablet, there's a little bit of a false bottom on it, so when you're setting it down, you don't have to worry about it, and it's a nice padded compartment up against your back. So a cool little laptop sleeve with a little rain cover thing there for protection. Okay, then you flip it around, and what you have on the side here is a zip away, which we've seen before, water bottle pocket. Now this is my like hydro flask from Wandered that I use, and it fits perfectly in there. I don't need to zip it up or anything, but then you have that kind of aesthetic. Now, the cool thing is there's actually an internal water bottle pocket too. So if you were the kind of person that carries two, maybe you carry like a hydro flask or like a Camelback chute or something like that on the side, you could also maybe carry like a kombucha. I love kombucha. I'm not afraid to admit it. Kombucha is awesome. I think it tastes delicious, and I'm probably one of the weird people out there, like I said, I'm weird, that thinks kombucha tastes good. I love it. I love to drink it. I think it's really good. GT Dave's Kombucha, mwah, sponsor me. I love it. I'll do it for free. Just mwah, so good. But maybe like, or like a bottle of something, or, an energy drink for all you people that are always on the go like I am when you're working like 15, 16-hour shifts and you're like, I'm dying, I need an energy drink. Maybe that's what it is. Or, however you want to do it, you have two spots for bottles if you want to do water and something else, or if you want to double fist waters, whatever you want to do, bro. But nice little water bottle pocket. Like I said, the cool thing about this is that it does zip away and become pretty close up against the bag. So I like that, because we've seen bags on this channel, and you've seen bags out there that have the zip away water bottle pockets, and I like that. I like that you can, if you want to, the one that comes to mind right now is the Perverki from Wandered, has a zip away. The bag from Tortuga does. It's nice that you can zip away that water bottle pocket if you don't want to use it, and it keeps it nice and up against the bag. And for me, that's kind of like just a little added bonus. You don't have to do that, but I like when they do, so it's pretty cool. Okay, so then we open up this bag. Now what you have here to open up these bags is two little clips, these little G-hooks or side clips or whatever you want to call them, right? And they clip right in here like that. Now, for some of you, this is going to be an issue. Some of you want those magnetic closers, which is like clap, clap, good to go. Those like quick release buckles like you get on like Boundary and stuff like that. This isn't going to be that way. This isn't a zip. This isn't a Velcro. This is just two little things that can be, until you get the hang of where you're doing these at, it can be a little, I'm not gonna say tedious, but you might have to think about it a little bit. This isn't gonna be, taking them off, super easy. But if you're in a hurry and you're like, oh, I gotta go, you gotta it's not bad. It's not like you're it's not like you're rocket sciencing this thing, but it's not as easy as some people might like, where when you're closing the bag up, it's just, I can't even do it. Just blop, 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 blop. You know, where it's magnetic or whatever it is, or just Velcro. You can just go, and then you just. I don't like Velcro for that reason because it goes. You know, I don't Velcro. If it's just Velcro on a bag like this, I'm not gonna. Nope, not touching it because I don't want to have to listen to that just god awful sound every time I open my bag. But I do like this. This is a very nice little addition. I mean, again, it's the aesthetic of the Millican bags. If this isn't something, if you don't already like this bag just based off the look and the feel, then you're not gonna like anything else that comes with this bag because this is a very specific aesthetic, but it works so well, and I really love it, and I hope you do too. But you open this up, right? And what I love about this is this bright yellow, right? I don't know how this is gonna look with the lighting and everything, but this bright yellow interior to see everything you need when you're looking down inside there is just absolutely gorgeous. So what you have on top here is just a quick access pocket, right? And this you can even access when the bag is closed all the way. You can get into this pocket, right? Ooh, where'd that come from? You know, so you can zip and unzip it even when the bag is closed. But this, I threw a couple different things in here just to see what would fit and how much could fit. This was a spot where I would put my AirPod Pros, and depending on if I'm like riding a bike. I don't own a bike, but if I ever did, I'd want those for riding it. Maybe, I don't know. What's the rules for riding a bike? I rode a bike in forever. I want to go mountain biking, but that's a good spot for like a quick pair of headphones. Depending on what you're doing, it's a good spot for a passport because it's closed and it's secure. Maybe this is your carry-on. You know, maybe if you're going on a trip, business trip. Business trips are fun. I do business trips. But, you know, maybe it's a good spot to put your passport, or depending on how you want to, put your battery chargers. This is for my camera, my Sony camera that I'm using. Those fit in there. But honestly, also, all three of these fit in there. It's also a good spot to put like your phone, your wallet, keys, sunglasses. It's padded in here, so you can easily put your sunglasses. It's a pretty decent sized pocket. It's like the whole size of my hand with some dimension built into it. Some great stitching around it, and another one of those YKK zips, but a good little front. And I would call it a quick access because, like I said, since you can access it with the flap down, it definitely falls in the realm of being a quick access compartment, and I like that quite a lot, if I'm being honest. So a good pocket to put anything that you're doing, whether it be if it's your carry-on bag, or if you're just using this for a daily commute to work, or if you're maybe using this even if you wanted to go out on a limb and use this as a gym bag, because honestly, you 100% could. There's enough room in this compartment at 13 liters where you could put like your gym towel, maybe a quick change of light clothes, and things like that. This is an all-around good messenger bag for things like that. Okay, so then the inside of this bag, which is going to be the biggest challenge because of the yellow and trying to show you what's in here, but I'm just gonna pull everything out and then I'll try to show you the best I can down inside of what's going on in here. So first off, you have up to a 13-inch laptop compartment, right? This is a 13-inch and it fits like perfectly, right? As a 13-inch, that's exactly what you're getting, and that's the biggest size you're gonna go. So perfect spot, you know, 13-inch laptop. Unfortunately, some of you 15-inchers are gonna be out of luck when it comes to this bag. If you like it a lot, but you have too big of a laptop, unfortunately, you're not gonna be able to get a 15-inch in there. But what else I have in here is just my tech pouch. I use this is what I kind of use this for a couple days of work. So my tech pouch was in there, my little notebook, a little field notebook, a pen, and did I put anything else in here that's worth bringing out? Nope, that's all I had in here. I don't really carry a lot with me if I'm doing work stuff, or even in the bag this size, I don't really need to carry a lot with me. I did have my camera in here on top, so I had the camera chargers and stuff and all my cords and whatnot go on my charger, and then my passport. I just threw in there for the heck of it. So I'm gonna do my best to kind of show you every little pocket on the inside of this bag, but you can just see real quick, there's the nice bright yellow aesthetic on the inside. Okay, so in here you've got two little pin bits right there and a flappy dap. You got a zipper compartment with a key clip, and then this is that laptop compartment right here with this little strap here. So that is your laptop. nice and secured there. So this is that extra water bottle pocket on this side. It does have some elasticity to it, if I said that word right, and then on this side it's just another little pocket. But that is the inside, right? Plenty of organization bits, another little spot for a laptop if you want it. Great pin bits, zipper compartment, key clip, and you can see everything down in there when you're looking in there because of this bright yellow color. And that is pretty much it for this Nick the Messenger bag. Like I said, I really enjoy the color, the aesthetic. I got it in this blue color for once. Millican always is coming out with cool things. I have their Smith the roll top, Miles the duffel. I also got Fraser the rucksack, which we'll be getting to here very shortly on this channel. A little like rucksack camping, hiking bag that works really, really well, that has that camping, hiking aesthetic that you want. So with this, I really, really enjoy it. I like it a lot. My main points on this bag, what I like, and I tried to do this at the beginning, but I forgot because I was just super excited, so I'm gonna put it here at the end, is I like the minimal organization, I like the capacity, and I love the materials. All three of those things make this a really good everyday messenger bag, in my opinion. So with all of that, if you have any questions, comments, concerns about this bag, let me know in the comments below and I'll do my very best to answer those for you. If there's a product you want me to get my hands on to do a review on, let me know and I'll do my best to make that happen. Email me, odiematthewsbags@gmail.com. It's in the description of the YouTube video. If you want suggestions, you want to have a chat, you want to hear my favorites, you want a list of good bags that can be used for a variety of things, whatever you want to talk about, shoot me an email, let's have a conversation. Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you could, leave this video a like or subscribe if you want to for more nonsense and weirdness of me rambling about bags, because that's what we do here. But again, thank you for everything, thank you for supporting, and I will see you guys next time.